All right, welcome back to Budget Noob. I've done something here. All right, so in the last video, we saw that we had added all of these through. I just wanted to share with you that if you were to take this and copy it, it's not going to show my screen, I don't think, but you can hit over to the next one and hit paste, just a blank clipboard, and then you'll see that it takes your formula over with you. Now, today, what you want to do after we get this done, I got to catch up to you guys, is go over here to your next column N. And basically, you're going to do the same thing, but I just pretty much do equal and then just click where you're going to go. So rent isn't one of them. So I'm going to keep that one blank. Phones recurring, that's not one of them. But groceries right here is. So I'm going to go equal the grocery column, B26, and then go next. And then this is going to equal my hygiene column. And then office supplies is going to equal my office supplies. Tools are going to equal my tools category, E26. Amazon's recurring. Cigars and vape I add in later, so I'll show you that. Laundry I add in later. Clothes, definitely a category that I didn't add in, so this is a good opportunity to show you that. I'm going to go up here. I have clothes next to hygiene and office supplies on my original budget. So you're going to go over here at the top right to insert. You're going to insert sheet column. Boom. And you got a new column. You can go ahead and do clothes and close. Let's capitalize it. And then you can equals sum. And you can add in by pulling from the bottom right hand corner and adding an end parenthesis. Now you have your close column. So this again is going to basically equal that. And I'm going to go all the way through and add these over so that I start getting total amounts. If it's something like the gym or rent, things like that, I'm just going to leave them blank for now, but I want this to reflect if I have a category over here that I have it matched up and ready to automatically take this number and bring it over here to my column.